Hi children, in this video we are going to see 6th standard mathematics chapter fractions, topics addition and subtraction of fractions. So today we shall learn how to add and subtract of like fractions and unlike fractions and exercise problems. So first let us see the formula of addition or subtraction of fractions. To find the sum or difference of fractions is equal to sum or a difference of numerators upon common denominator, that is sum or difference of numerators divided by common denominator. So first let us see addition of like fractions. Addition of like fractions is easy and sometimes can be done mentally. Now we will learn how to add like fractions. So the given fractions are 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Since these are like fractions, so here we simply add the numerators and then write the common denominator. That's all. So first add the numerator, that is 2 plus 5, and then write the common denominator as it is 2 plus 5 divided by 3. So let us write the answer. So 2 plus 5 equal to 7. So 7 by 3. So finally reduce to the lowest term if it is possible. Otherwise convert to the mixed fraction. So the mixed fraction is 2 of 1 by 3. So the answer is 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3 equal to 2 of 1 by 3. Let us see the another example. The given fractions are 3 of 2 by 3 plus 2 of 1 by 3. Here these are mixed fractions. Okay, so addition of mixed numerators with the same denominator. So first convert the mixed fraction to improper fractions and add the fractions. Okay, so first convert to improper fractions. So 3 of 2 by 3 is 11 by 3 plus 2 of 1 by 3 is 7 by 3. So here these are like fractions. So next we shall add the numerators. So 11 plus 7 and divided by the common denominator 3. So the answer is 18 divided by 3. So next reduce to the lowest term. So here 1 3s are 3, 6 3s are 18. So the answer is 6. So the answer is 3 of 2 by 3 plus 2 of 1 by 3 equal to 6. So next subtraction of like fractions. Subtraction of like fractions is also very easy. So let us see how to subtract like fractions. So the given fractions are 9 by 4 minus 2 by 4. Since these are like fractions, so we simply subtract the numerators. Okay, so let us write 9 minus 2 divided by, so the common denominator 4. So next 9 minus 2 equal to 7. So 7 by 4. So finally convert to the mixed fractions. So 7 by 4 can be written as 1 of 3 by 4. So the answer is 9 by 4 minus 2 by 4 equal to 1 of 3 by 4. Let us see the another example. 3 of 2 by 7 minus 2 of 1 by 7. Here these are mixed fraction. So first convert to the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So here 3 of 2 by 7 can be written as 23 by 7. Next 2 of 1 by 7 can be written as 15 by 7. So now these are like fractions. So next subtract the numerators. So 23 minus 15 divided by the common denominator 7. So the answer is 8 by 7. Next convert to the mixed fraction. So the answer is 1 of 1 by 7. Therefore 3 of 2 by 7 minus 2 of 1 by 7 equal to 1 of 1 by 7. So next let us see addition of unlike fractions. So it is not easy to add. So however we can easily add the like fractions. So we will convert them into like fractions using LCM method. Okay, so the given fractions are 7 by 5 plus 9 by 4. So we first find the LCM of both the denominators. So that is the LCM of 5 and 4. So which is will come out what? 20. Now we will multiply both the numerator and denominator of the given fractions by a suitable number so that the denominator of the resultant fraction become equal to the LCM of the denominator. So let us multiply both numerator and denominator of the fraction 7 by 5 with 4. So we get 28 divided by 20. Next, multiply both numerator and denominator of the fraction 9 by 4 with 5. So we get 45 divided by 20. Now these are like fractions. Now let us add the like fractions. So here 7 by 5 plus 9 by 4 equal to 28 divided by 20 plus 45 divided by 20. Now we shall add the numerators and write the common denominator. So 28 plus 45 equal to 73 and then write the common denominator 20. Now reduce the lowest term if it is possible. So here not possible. So convert to the mixed fraction. So the mixed fraction is 3 of 13 by 20. So the final answer is 7 by 5 plus 9 by 4 equal to 3 of 13 by 20. Next, subtraction of unlike fractions. Here also first we will convert to like fractions. So the given fractions are 8 by 9 minus 2 by 3. So we first find the LCM of both the denominators. So that is the LCM of 9 comma 3. So we get 9. So now we will multiply both the numerator and denominator of the given fractions by a suitable number. So let us multiply both numerator and denominator of the fraction 8 by 9 with 1. So we get 8 by 9. Next, multiply both numerator and denominator of the fraction 2 by 3 with 3. So we get 6 by 9. Now we get like fractions. So 8 by 9 minus 2 by 3 can be written as 8 by 9 minus 6 by 9. Now we will subtract the numerators and then write the common denominator. So 8 minus 6 equal to 2. So 2 by 9. So next, reduce to the lowest term if it is possible. So here it is not possible. Next, it is a proper fraction. So this is the final answer. So 8 minus 9 minus 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 9. Let us see exercise problems. Exercise 7.5. First sum. Fill in the blanks by looking at the figures. So let us find the mixed number, that is answer 1 minus 1 by 2. Let us find the answer following two models. The first model 1 minus 1 by 2. Here given numbers is represent, whole part is subtracted to the shaded part. So we can easily identify the answer is unshaded part. So the answer is 1 by 2. So the another model 1 minus 1 by 2 using LCM method. Here the first number is the whole number. So let us assume the whole number is numerator. The denominator is 1. So let us find the LCM of 1 and 2. So we get 2. So 1 by 1 multiply with 2. So we get 2 by 2. Next, the fraction 1 by 2 multiply with 1. So we get 1 by 2. Now let us subtract the equivalent fractions. So 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to 2 minus 1 divided by 2. So we get 1 by 2. Second problem. A shopkeeper had 80 apples, 1/10 of which were rotten. Find the number of good apples. So first let us write the total number of apples. So total number of apples equal to 80. Let us find the number of rotten apples. So number of rotten apples equal to 1 by 10 of 80. So here 1 by 10 of 80 can be written as 1 by 10 multiply 80. Here 1 tens are 10, 8 tens are 80. So the answer is 8. Therefore, number of rotten apples equal to 8. Next, let us find the number of good apples. So now we want to subtract number of rotten apples from a total number of apples. The number of good apples equal to 80 minus 8, we get 72. Therefore, number of good apples equal to 72. Next, the fifth problem. The given fractions are 1 of 1 by 4 plus 2 of 1 by 3 plus 1 of 2 by 3. Now, these are mixed fractions. So, first step, we convert to improper fraction. So, here, the mixed fraction 1 of 1 by 4 can be written as 5 by 4. Next, 2 of 1 by 3 can be written as 7 by 3. Next, 1 of 2 by 3 can be written as 5 by 3. Now, these are unlike fractions. So, let us convert to like fractions. So, find the LCM of denominators. LCM of 4, 3 and 3. Let us find the LCM. So, here the common divisor is 3. So, let us write the quotients. So, 4 is not divisible by 3. So, come forward. Next, 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3. The next divisor is 4. So, now here 1 4s are 4. Next, multiply the divisors. So, 3 into 4 we get 12. Therefore, LCM of 4, 3 and 3 is 12. Let us find the equivalent fractions. So, now multiply the numerator and denominator of the fraction 5 by 4 with 3. So, we get 15 divided by 12. Next, multiply with numerator and denominator of the fraction 7 by 3 with 4. So, we get 28 divided by 12. So, the next fraction 5 by 3 multiply with 4. So, we get 20 divided by 12. Let us write the like fractions. So, 1 of 1 by 4 plus 2 of 1 by 3 plus 1 of 2 by 3 equal to 5 by 4 plus 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Let us write the equivalent fractions. The equivalent fraction of 5 by 4 is 15 by 12. Next, 7 by 3 equivalent fraction is 28 by 12. Next, the equivalent fraction of 5 by 3 is 20 divided by 12. Now, these are like fractions. So, let us add the numerator and then write the common denominator. So, 15 plus 28 plus 20 divided by 12. We get 63 divided by 12. Next, reduce to the lowest term and convert to the improper fraction. So, we get 5 of 1 by 4. So, therefore, 1 of 1 by 4 plus 2 of 1 by 3 plus 1 of 2 by 3 equal to 5 of 1 by 4. The next problem, 5 of 2 by 3 minus 2 of 1 by 4. Here these are mixed fraction. So first let us convert to improper fractions. So 5 of 2 by 3 can be written as 17 by 3. So minus 2 of 1 by 4 can be written as 9 by 4. Now these are unlike fractions. So let us convert to like fractions using LCM method. So let us find the LCM of the denominator. The LCM of 4 comma 3 equal to 12. So let us find the equivalent fractions. Now we will multiply a numerator and denominator of the fraction 17 by 3 with 4. So we get 68 divided by 12. Next, multiply a numerator and denominator of the fraction 9 by 4 with 3. So we get 27 divided by 12. Now we will subtract the like fractions. So here 5 of 2 by 3 minus 2 of 1 by 4 can be written as 17 by 3 minus 9 by 4. So let us write the equivalent fractions. 68 divided by 12 minus 27 divided by 12. So now subtract the numerators. So 68 minus 27 upon the common denominator 12. So let us write the answer 41 divided by 12. So now this is improper fraction. So convert to the mixed fraction. So the answer is 3 of 5 by 12. Therefore 5 of 2 by 3 minus 2 of 1 by 4 equal to 3 of 5 by 12. Now coming to the 8th problem. From a piece of cloth of length 2 of 1 by 3 meter, cloth of length 1 of 1 by meter was used for making a shirt. Find the length of cloth left. So first of all, let us write the total length of a cloth equal to 2 of 1 by 3 meter. Next one, a cloth used for making a shirt equal to 1 of 1 by 4 meter. So let us find the length of cloth left. So now we want to subtract total length of a cloth and the cloth used for making a shirt, that is 2 of 1 by 3 meter minus 1 of 1 by 4 meter. So now here it is a, what is that? Mixed fraction. So let us convert into improper fraction. Okay, so here 2 of 1 by 3 equal to 7 by 3, because now we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number and then add the numerator, isn't it? So 7 by 3 minus 1 of 1 by 4 equal to 5 by 4. Now these are unlike fractions, so convert into like fractions. So let us find the LCM of the denominator, that is the LCM of 3 comma 4 equal to 12. Now we have to find the like fractions. So here 7 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 4. So the answer is 28 by 12. Next 5 by 4 multiplied by, what is that? 3. So the answer is 20 by 12. So now let's substitute the like fractions. So 7 by 3 equal to 28 by 12 minus 5 by 4 equal to 15 by 12. So now we get the like fractions. So now we have to subtract the numerators and let us write the common denominator. So 28 minus 15 divided by 12. So now we get 13 by 12. Now it is an improper fraction. So let's convert into mixed fraction. So that is 1 of 1 by 12. So final answer is, what is that? A remaining length of cloth equal to 1 of 1 by 12 meter. So now it's your time. Test your understanding. The first question, add 7 by 12 plus 5 by 12 plus 6 by 12. So the given options are 15 by 12, 18 by 12, 18 by 36 and 17 by 12. See children, these are the like fractions. So we can simply add the numerator and write the common denominator, isn't it? So the answer is, what is that? 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. So the answer is the option 2, 18 by 12. Second one, subtract 18 by 9 minus 9 by 9. So the given options are 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 0, 1. See here, these are the like fraction. So we have to subtract the numerator. So 18 minus 9, we get 9. So let's write the common denominator 9. So 9 by 9, 1. So the answer is the option 4, 1. Thank you children.